Today, with my amazing Cosori Turbo Blade air fryer, I'm making a wonderful asparagus and potato frittata with you. Make this recipe with me, and if you can, use the air fryer, because it will be lighter and super quick to make. Let's get started. So first of all, I peel the potatoes, and the question naturally comes up. Do you think one day I'll make my own line of potato peelers? Do you use a knife or a potato peeler to peel potatoes? Let me know in the comments below. You already know what I use, but if this is the first time you're watching one of my recipes, I'll say it again. I really like using the potato peeler because there's less waste, and once you get the hang of it, it only takes a moment. Then I cut them into rather small pieces. Once I've cut them all, I rinse them well under cold running water until the water, which at first, as you can see, is quite cloudy, becomes clear. Perfect. Now I put the potatoes in the fryer basket, add a bit of oil, close it, and cook at 200 degrees C for 12 minutes. In the meantime, after washing them, I remove the tips from the asparagus. I cut them into rather small pieces. The tips a bit larger and the lower parts a bit smaller. And then I also take the opportunity to crack the eggs into a container. After that I add the Parmigiano, a bit of salt. Then I beat everything together. Okay, now you see the potatoes are almost completely cooked, nice and golden. I add the asparagus. I give it a little stir. Close it and let it cook for 4 minutes still at 200 degrees C. Okay, now I add a pinch of salt. I transfer the potatoes and asparagus into the eggs. Mix well. Now I grease with a bit of oil the bottom and the sides of the basket. This fryer is very powerful, so there's no need to always leave the grill in to let the air circulate properly. I pour everything in. Then I add a bit of mozzarella. Of course you can use scamorza, provola, soft cheese, or not add anything at all. Do as you prefer, as I mentioned earlier. Then I close it. I cook it at 160 degrees C for at least 10-12 minutes. Perfect. Now I set it to bake, set it to 150 degrees and let it cook for another 10-12 minutes. Here it is. Look here. Let's see. Oh my, make it. You absolutely have to try it. Oh my, it's amazing. And let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. And as usual, before I leave you, I'll take the opportunity to wish you a good meal.